See if we can replace this light ring adapter. Looks like someone broke it last week. See if we can't get in there and change it. I got a, looks like a replacement one. We'll see if it fits. So we got the pool light out. It's in the housing. So we have to take off this light ring adapter, put the new one on. You can see it cracked. Then we have to put the light housing back in the hole there for the pool light. Then we have to close that up and make sure it's sealed tight. So we got the light ring adapter off, the old one. It's all chewed up, as you can see. Someone kind of snapped it. It must have kicked off when they were swimming. So we got a new one, and we have to fit that there on the light. I got the light housing out. So there's the housing out. I had to loosen the housing around it, and now we have to fit this right around it and then secure that with a bolt there. It shouldn't be too difficult. We just have to make sure, you know, the inside's waterproof. It has a gasket around the outside. We have to make sure that's on there tight. So we've got the new light ring fit snugly around the housing and the gasket. And you can see there's a little tightener. It's like a ring that goes around with the bolt. So you just loosen that, pop this in, and then you tighten this back up, make sure it's fitted securely. That's gonna help keep the gasket in place. There's a gasket right here. It's gonna help that kind of sit in there and make sure that no water gets in the actual housing. So the light, you know, obviously is inside here. We wanna make sure this is watertight. And so this is fit back in. My holes are lined up here. This will go actually in the where the light goes in the pool, and there's a screw. I actually left it at the bottom of the pool there, but this will go right there and fit there, so this doesn't kind of wiggle and come out. So we're about ready to throw this back in the pool. So there's the light, and you can see there's the hole where the pool light goes. So I'm about to pop that in there and make sure that fits in, and then I have to tighten it with the screw, make sure it doesn't pop out and it's watertight. Pool light's on. I tested it. I didn't die, and should be pretty good to go. It fits pretty well. This is a universal fitting, so it's not as perfect as the Hayward one was. I believe this was a Hayward brand housing and light ring adapter, but we should be okay. The screws in there secure. I had to use a washer because the screw hole is a little bit too big on the universal light ring, but with a washer it looks like it's okay. It's secure, it's in there tight, should be good.